Well, I was there only in the first grade, so it essentially was non-doctrinaire. It was just learning arithmetic, which I knew because my aunt in Poland told me that she used to take me out. I was a fussy eater, so to get me to eat, she would take me to a tower, feed me, and teach me arithmetic, which I don't remember at all. But so the school was fairly ordinary, except for 2 or 3 events that are important. One day, we were all, the kids, even in the first grade, went to a kolkhoz, a collective farm, to help pick cotton. That was one of the most disgusting experiences because when you pick cotton, there are this, what is it, sticks, not sticks.
Thorns?
Thorns, yes, thorns. And my hands were bloody like crazy. Another day they took us to help take coal off a railroad track that came in. All of this was not done out of maliciousness, even if there may have been some component. Their economy was in shambles, and they probably got some use of these kids coming to a kolkhoz and helping out. The last memory about school is, to me, the most shocking, and that I remember. The day Franklin Roosevelt died, we were in the school in Uzbekistan, so far away from the center. It was a national day of mourning there. We were at school, we were notified, there were no lessons, there was some kind of patriotic singing and hymns or whatever. And it was really a day of mourning by everyone. That, to me, in my knowing about the relationship later on and even the tensions during the war between Stalin and Roosevelt and Churchill, it's a fantastic thing. Stalin really, I don't know where it came from, but Stalin really directed a very fantastically good defense, including home defense. He got the people to stop hating communism and start liking Russia, or the Russian unions, Soviet unions.